Hello there, I'm Ibrohim. I'm an AI guy. I've been interested in AI since my school years. When I was studying in the ninth grade, though we had our 10 subjects, it's really crazy. I was curious about math, physics, and the chemistry. However, I was too lazy to learn the history, politics, geography, and similar stuff. We had four exams each year, and it was hard for me to get higher points from those boring subjects. Then I randomly come up with an idea. What if I built an AI-powered glasses? It's similar stuff with built-in camera on it and a projector. So camera is really tiny and not even visible others. The process is very simple. Let's assume I am an exam and it's a history exam, history subject. Then I simply navigate the glasses the camera to the question paper. So it will catch up the question and AI will generate the answer and project the answer directly to the paper. So I can simply copy and write the answer to the paper. Yeah, it's a really cool idea actually. Yeah. And then I want to become a certified facilitator at the aerospace because I believe in the power of the untapped ideas to make the real difference. Every year, so many innovative ideas from the aerospace participants fall just short of advancing, and I want to help them to reach their full potential. By becoming the facilitator, I can guide and support these ideas, helping participants strengthen their skills, mindsets, and connections to turn eco and anxiety into eco agency. To be honest, I've been mentoring since February 2023. When I first joined Level Up AI, there I wrote tutorials on various AI technologies, tools for over 100,000 developers. I mentored 10,000 teams to overcome technical challenges. Later on, I joined Noble Learning PBC. There I facilitated an introduction to design course for over 20 people. Uh, I say people because there were like students with different backgrounds and really different ages, like 20, 40, 16. Yeah. And then my sister asked to mentor and help her team and the innovation goals competition. Of course, I joined it and did my best to support seven young and curious school girls. At the same time, I started my YouTube channel. I still do tutorials on YouTube, of course. At present, I am the first AI ML API regional ambassador in the Central Asia. I help developers to integrate AI tools to their workflows and write a lot of different tutorials. I'm also a youth mentor at the Earth Foundation and the AI startup mentor at the Moonshot Parades. I love teaching others and sharing my knowledge. It's really cool.